Hi everyone, so today we're going to show how to play Rose of the Wind, which was published on Canadian Music Center, and we'll put the link to the score down below, and it's made for Untitled Chapter. And what we're going to do, I'm going to just play it medium slow so you can see everything, and I'll explain what I did in detail, and then you can follow either the score or the medium version or the talking version, and you can always slow down the video as well to get your details. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll explain everything after this one. So I'm playing it a bit slower than it's supposed to be so that you can see everything. It's a repeat, so I'm just gonna go normal fast tempo right here. Save time. This is the actual tempo. So I'm going to not talk too much, but just play it medium tempo so you can see everything that's happening. And then the score is available in the link down below. So come over here and let's take the camera to my hands. So it starts with, this is middle C, and this is where the B and F sharp start. Then D, right hand, F sharp, F sharp. Then it's bar 2. To change the pedal after you press B and G. Then E, G, G. Then back to the first bar, the same thing as before, F sharp, F sharp. And again, left hand the same with the E in the right hand. Now, B, F sharp with F, 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 F. Then B, G with E, G, 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 G. B, F sharp, D, F, 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 F. And now here, G, G, and put your finger on a D, but don't press the D yet. Just G, G with the E. And then with the D. And 4 more E's. And right here, the first chord B F sharp with right hand F sharp, and D with F sharp, and then F sharp on the top, on the bottom. Follow the same pattern with B's. Left hand is the same as bar 2, left hand is the same as bar 1. And here left hand F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Now left hand F sharp and D, and when you press B, right hand goes octave B, C sharp, D. Back to C sharp, back to B, we'll pause. Left hand G, E with right hand G octave. Left hand B, then right hand E octave, keep the pedal on. And left hand just add one more B here. And then left hand F sharp, D with right hand F sharp, octave. Then right hand the same, left hand B. B with a B. Now here G, D, and B in the middle. So first outer, B in the middle, right hand B, left hand B. Now F sharp, D with right hand B, left hand B, right hand is the same as before. And now here you can press only left hand D and right hand D, and then the B F sharp, right hand top, bottom F sharps. Then we're just switching the order. Watch carefully. D, B with F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, C sharp, add F sharp and E here on the sides, E on the top, E on the bottom. Then F sharp and D, same thing before. It's a repeat. Now left hand, same chords as before, F sharp, D with the B in the middle, and right hand will go a bunch of D's. D, D, switch to 1, D, repeat top. Same pattern with these notes. And now A, F sharp, with the D in the middle, and right hand a bunch of F sharps. And then left hand C sharp, right hand A on the top, switch to thumb with the left hand A, E. A on the top, repeat, come back, and now A, G octaves, and here's going to be F sharp octave, use finger 4 for legato, left hand F and B. Then repeat these notes, D, F sharp. Now left hand F sharp on the bottom octave, and right hand F sharp on the top octave, keep the same pedal. Now left hand will be B, F sharp like the first note of the song, and right hand F sharp. Now both hands G octave, with the middle C here in the middle. Then right hand G, left hand D. Right hand was already prepared with thumb, so just press an octave G here, left hand octave G in the bottom. Back to this D with the G octave. And now A with A F sharp. This is D, this is A with thumb. Now F sharp octave with A octave on the top. Come back A here, D here. And now left hand F sharp E, and right hand just the G octave. C sharp G, G on the top, F sharp on the bottom. And now C sharp with F sharp, and then like before, B F sharp with the melody B, C, D, C, B, B. We're in bar 37, F sharp with left hand F sharp D. Same melody with B's in the left hand, D, this is G major, so G, D, right hand E octave B, B, left hand B, and again. First bar chord. Now left hand A and G, and right hand G, G. Now left hand C sharp and E with fingers 3, 2, and right hand G, G. Repeat G on the top, come back where you came from, and switch to 5 with the same left hand. And we're going to do the same chord with right hand A's. And right here, when you repeat this A, just hit me A octave, keep the same pedal, right hand one more A, and come to this G octave with left hand pressing the whole A7, A, C sharp, E, G. And now left hand A octave, right hand F sharps, add C sharp, F sharp, again the same A octave with F sharps, now E with this chord, which is F sharp minor, A, C sharp, F sharp, E, A. And now here we're just going to have F sharp, E, right hand F sharp, another F sharp, and with with this F sharp, press just the C sharp. On the top, with the same octave, hold the pedal per bar. One pedal per bar. Here's E with the chord, and now G with D octaves. Now just this D with the repeated D in the left hand. And when you repeat this, just give me a G octave, and still pedal is holding everything for you. G, D, G, F, C sharp. And now here this chording will be from before. C sharp, F sharp octave, D, and then C sharp. This section has lots of pedal. Now we're going bar 49 like before, like bar 1 exactly. It's a repeat. So I'm going to go a bit faster. Exact repeat from before again. This is from the beginning. Now left hand will be the same B minor chord, outer, inner, inner, and right hand just a little melody. So B, G, F sharp, E, D. On E you press D. Now left hand the same as before. B with the B, F sharp. Now D, B, G, F sharp, E with the D. C sharp with C sharp. Outer F sharp, E. Right hand D, E. Left hand just press C sharp. And then again double that in an octave. Same thing, just octaves. E, G, E on the E, left hand. Same thing. Slow down a little bit, C sharp. And now left hand the same chord as the first bar, and right hand F sharps. With the D. Now G's, left hand B, G. When you repeat thumb, then left hand press E. G on the top, repeat the top, bottom, switch to 5 with left hand E. And now F sharp, right hand, left hand B, F sharp. And D here with the F sharp on the top, repeat the top, bottom. When you switch to 5, press another D in the left hand, F sharp here. And now left hand A sharp and F sharp with E. E on the top, repeat the E with one left hand C sharp. E on the top, repeat on the top, come back where you came from, switch to 5 with left hand C sharp. And now C sharp octave, and we repeat what we just did the previous 4 bars, repeating. Bar 70, bar 71, and penultimate bar 72. And finish with a simple B in the left hand and 2 B's in the right hand. So what do you think? Should we do the whole thing medium tempo without talking?